First of all, thank you friends in the media. आज एक बहुत अच्छा दिन है. I am next to my two very old, not very old, very young colleagues, Vijay Kumar Ramphal and Jagdish Devarma from the INPT. I am also here with the Senior Vice President of the Congress Party, Piyush Vishwas ji, Hari Krishna Bhaumik ji and Dinesh Devarma. Ravindra Devarma from INPT is also here, and our candidate from the East, Pragya Devarman, is also here. First of all, this is a very short call. बहुत छोटे नोटिस में मैंने आप सबको यहाँ में निमंत्रण दिया, हम लोग सब लोग ने अनाउंसमेंट करने के लिए कि कांग्रेस पार्टी एंड INPT are going ahead in the upcoming Lok Sabha with an alliance. This alliance has been made successful after an MOU was signed between the All India Congress Committee with the consent of the President, the State President, me, the National President, the National General Secretary Mr. Filario ji, and Vijay Ramphal, President of the INPT. On those assurances, we have decided to have a formal alliance which will continue with an eye to the Autonomous District Council polls, where priority will be given on the ground realities between the INC and the INPT. The Lok Sabha elections is going to be a test for the forces which want to bring in Citizenship Amendment Bill against those who want to oppose it. ये Lok Sabha election will be also a fight for the forest right, those who have not opposed it in the court and those who are going to legally challenge it. The Lok Sabha poll will also be about the lies and the failures of the vision document of the BJP against those what we can offer. We have also agreed that the Pagborok language will be in the Roman script. ये चर्चे में था असेंबली में. Recently हमने clearly हमारा definition है कि Pagborok will be in the Roman script. हमने और एक चीज डिमांड किया है कि there will be direct funding. Rahul Gandhi himself has said it in the Kumulung speech. Direct funding to the autonomous ADC areas, direct financial power, and the land which has been taken away will be legally given back to the indigenous people from whom the land has been alienated. The Congress party along with the INPT believe in the has been giving big promises in the name of Maharaja, in the name of a separate statehood as the allies partner. We have not seen any actual development in the ADC areas. Any other questions? Please feel free to ask.
We as INPT party have also desires bringing changes in the state. Our state is expecting some changes because Rahulji had given words of promise for entire Northeast also. and Tripura as such also involved. So he had given promises for our direct funding, which Maharaj Pradutji had said. So we believe the Constitution of India, and it should be implemented. INPT as such, it is one of the oldest regional party of the state. And we are standing on issue base. We are not crazy for joining any powerful party for sharing government. We are equally happy to fight for our deprived population of the state. So this time also we have unconditionally offered our support for and aligning with National Congress. We met its National President Rahulji also at Delhi. We had a lot of discussion for development. We have mentioned about his late father also, who was very, very much enthusiastic about development of the state. So we have spoken to him, and he should also work very hard to bring changes in the economic system in the state, especially for the indigenous population. So today we are happy that Indian National Congress in the state also is really understanding the ground situation and open their heart to work together for the entire development of the state. So we have not imposed any condition. We said unconditionally we should support, believing that the nation may bring some changes. We are not sitting today here to praise someone, to criticize someone in particular, but we enjoy our achievement also. INPT is such one of the oldest I have mentioned. Numbers of achievement we can count today. Yet we not been sharing any government, but some regional parties, they are interested in political business also, power business, which we don't do it. So I like to be very clean and clear today also that our partner, the National Congress, will be really working at the ground level, the reality of the ground, so that we can satisfy the people of the state, so that people from remotest corner of the state also will feel that yes, we are working together very honestly and faithfully. I once again appeal the press media, tribes and electronic medias, those who are working hard and bringing genuine agendas also. And today we will believe that we will be able to give our message through you to every corner of the state, and your knowledge and your strength and powerful pen will work to bring.
जों दिनै 12टा समायाव पेलेस कम्पाउन्डआव महाराजा गचिनि त्रिपुरा हास्टिनिबो कंग्रेसनि प्रेसिडेन्ट बरकबाई कक्सालायै जों सिद्धान्तखौ सौहैखा आइएनपिटि जों पहिलाफोराव जे दिहिजों नामानि जों सायसंना बासालायनाय কিন্তু जों हिंका और তিনি কংগ্রেস বাই 11 তারিখ মার্চ দিল্লিও কাছে মো সিগনেচার লাখিয়া প্রদেশ কংগ্রেস সভাপতি দङ आइएनपिटि नि प्रेसिडेंट दङ ओमफ्राय अल इंडिया कांग्रेसनि जनरल सेक्रेटारि लुजिन हुफेलेरिबो दङ अपनी अनुयायी সেই म अनुयायी और म ताम ताम दं ओमफ्राय যতন ত্রিপুরা হাসেন বরক সাইমানকা एडिशनल एम्पावरमेंट खाइजेकनाय যদিও अबन आगे ऊपर कक रोजाब तब ताकलेबो हाइनो हाय बनो कन्टिन्यूशन नारकनाय सिटिजेनशिप एमेंडमेंट बिल नो कासुनानि आब्रुबो कक रोजाब এবং তিনিবো ऊपर कक साका बनि बागै जों सिनि डिसिजन नो पलिटिकल डिसिजन जों वानसुका तासे रिव्यू खायै निर्वाचन कमिटिनि सिद्धांत नो रिव्यू खायै जों हुका बीजेपी नो माका सुनाय बीजेपी तसे फाइपिका हंकाय सिटिजेनशिप एमेंडमेंट बिल अपनो तिसावै अपनो पास खाया नायनाय अपनो कासुनानि এবং তিনি और महाराष्ट्र थाइसिंग प्रेस मीट अबो साका जे शुद्ध पार्लियामेंट इलेक्शन सिमिया बुस्कांनि एडीसी इलेक्शन रगो आईएनपीटी नो किसा जागा गोबां होनानै किसा प्रायोरिटी होनानै मकक बसाका अबरंगतैनो जों वानसुका औ बीजेपी नो कासुना हांकाय जों और जे अपोजिशन पार्टी दंमोन आईएनपीटी ताइकुबिनि रिजनल पार्टी रक जतन थांसाखायो कासिमाननाय बनबेगै जों दिनै खा खुलासाखाय सालायखा आईएनपीटी बाय आईएनसी दिनै टाइआपखा जों एक लगे बुस्काङाव लोकसभा निर्वाचनाव बादायलायनाय सामु खालायनाय आसुम